Hey guys, Miss Kennedy here, and I am going to show you a problem that's similar to an SAT question that I received from a student. And so we're going to work on it here in the Q&A. It'll be in the dashboard for you. And if you're not in the membership, then the description below tells you how to get started with that. So, all right, if x equals 2 squared, then what is x to the x power? So their SAT question was very similar to this one. So this one will help you to know what to do if you have one like that. So let's think. X equals 2 squared, then what is x to the x power? So I'm going to just sort of take this and fill in. So I know x is 2 squared, and then x again is 2 squared, which looks kind of crazy because it's just 2, 2, 2, 2, right? But let's clean that up just a little bit. Well, 2 squared is 4, right? 2 times 4 is 8. And then 2 to the 8th. And you can go to your calculator and do that, or you can multiply 2 times 2 times 2, and so on, and get, I believe it's 256. So double check it. Yep. All right. So that's what you do. I suppose there are other ways to do this. You could say 2 squared is 4 raised to the 2 squared power is 4. It's 4 to the 4th. I'm trying to hold too many things in my hand at once. It is 4 to the 4th is 256. So yeah, you could do it that way too. Dealer's choice. Up to you how you want to do that one. All right. I hope that helps. See you next time.